What's up everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use your USB DAC with PowerAmp. Well, if you're like me and you prefer the user interface of PowerAmp compared to USB Audio Player Pro, then this video is for you. There's nothing much to do in this video, just follow the tutorial step by step and you will get it done. As you can see right here, 32-bit audio is being used and PowerAmp can now access my USB DAC. But there is one caveat here, just that you have to always manually adjust the resolution of the audio you are listening to. But USB Audio Player Pro does it automatically with Beat Perfect. So that's one caveat about PowerAmp. But if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. That'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.